Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, this is Tangled Remake. So, this is voice vocal sounds of Pascal. In part 1, I'm part 1 of part 5 and 6. So here we go. And this is a story about, like, after, Rapunzel's got, like, after, winning the song and let's say, and by the song, like, when it's, about to sing the light. Song from the cartoon. And this is named like one of the village, and then after the first time they went in the village, and well, I would say went to a village, but then said Mascal, and it Mascal phone. And seeing that goes this out. Okay. This is part, that means the part when it was happy when Pascal was happy that they went when the village the first time. And there's one more about that. And so that is it for vocal sounds of Pascal in part 4 and 5. So if you like this video, be sure to like and peace.